Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. I'm Carissa and today I'm going to show you how I make atole de arroz, also known as rice atole in English. If this looks good to you, please give this video a like and also consider subscribing to my channel. That way you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Now let's get started on today's easy recipe. These are the ingredients I will be using. I have a Mexican vanilla blend, 1 cup of sugar, 1 Mexican cinnamon stick. I'm using just half of one because it was pretty large. I also have 5 whole cloves, 1 cup of rice, evaporated milk, and 2% milk. I'll also be using 3 cups of water. Here I poured the 3 cups of water in a pot, and I'm also going to add the cinnamon stick and the whole cloves, and I'm going to bring this to a boil. Now that it's boiling, I'm reducing the heat to medium-low and I'm going to cover the pot. I'll let this simmer for about 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, you can see the water has changed to an amber color. This is exactly what we want, as it means the water has been infused with that cinnamon flavor. Now I'm going to remove the cinnamon stick and the whole cloves from the water, and I'm throwing them away because I won't need them anymore. Now I'm going to rinse my rice under running water. However, this is optional. I just prefer rinsing off the excess starch. I do this in a fine mesh strainer and I rinse until the water runs clear. Here I'm adding my rinsed rice to the cinnamon and clove infused water, and I'm going to bring it to a boil. Now I'm reducing the heat to low and I'm going to cover the pot. I'll let this cook for about 20 minutes. The rice is now done. It has absorbed all of the water. Now I'm going to transfer most of my rice to my blender. I did leave some rice in the pot. This is optional. I just like the texture it adds to the atole. Here I'm going to add the evaporated milk to the blender as well. I'm also going to add 1 cup of regular milk. And now I'm going to blend this mixture until smooth. This will take about 30 seconds or so. Now I'm pouring the blended rice mixture back into the pot, and I've turned the heat to medium. I'm also adding 1 cup of milk, then the sugar, and now the remaining 2 cups of milk. I'm stirring this until well combined, and I'm going to let it simmer for about 5 minutes or until heated through. And I'm going to stir this frequently to prevent it from burning. The rice atole is now done, so I'm going to turn off the heat and add the vanilla. I really hope you all have enjoyed this recipe. It's one of my favorites as it's super easy to make and it's so yummy. Plus, I always have the ingredients needed on hand to make it. It's also inexpensive and it can feed a large family. Let me know what you guys think of this recipe in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon with another recipe. Bye!